What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you a very cool method for promoting ClickBank offers. Alright, this is a cool method. It's a brand new method. You have not seen this method before, so make sure you pay close attention to everything I'm about to tell you, because you're going to have a lot of questions, and chances are I'm going to be answering your questions in the duration of this video. And so the first thing that we need to do, we are here at CB Engine, which is kind of like an interface, a directory of ClickBank's marketplace. Okay, it's kind of like ClickBank Marketplace. And you can take a look at different offers. You have lots of stats that unfortunately ClickBank does not have. So there's so many interesting things that you can do here. So what you want to do, there are a couple of things you want to do. On the left-hand side, you can go into best gains and take a look at what kind of products, right? The best gains, the product that are making the best moves right now. You can also go into top gravity, which is what I have selected here, and we can take a look at the products sorted in the descending order from highest to lowest in terms of gravity. Now, what is gravity? Gravity is a metric of popularity. This is a metric of how popular each specific offer is, right? So you have very, very hot offers. Everybody is promoting them. They're very, very popular. And then if you go down, right, if you select it so it sorts from low to high, you're going to see offers that are not getting much love. People are not promoting them. People are really not paying any attention to them. And maybe that attention is well deserved, or maybe it's not. And regardless, you don't want to promote offers with very, very low gravity. Likewise, you don't want to promote offers with very, very high gravity. You typically want to promote offers around 100, 150, 75, that gravity, around that gravity or so. So what we're going to do here, right? On this right-hand side, we can actually pick a category, okay? So you have business, investing, computer, and internet. And there's all kinds of niches that you can promote using this specific method. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about make money online. Okay, in one of the previous videos, I showed you how to promote health offers, fitness offers. I also showed you how to promote green products, health and fitness. I had videos that tell you how to promote all kinds of niches. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to promote e-business and e-marketing. So we're going to select that, and we're going to say we want order by gravity in descending order. Okay, and we're going to hit search. And so if we go into this category, right away you see all the offers, but this time they're in the e-business and e-marketing category, and they are sorted by gravity in descending order. And so all you have to do now is take a look at the offer and the offer that you want to promote, because this traffic source is going to work perfectly with the kind of offers that we see right here. Now, we have a lot of these kind of very generic offers, right? We have click well systems. We have update top converting high ticket on CB. I have no idea what that is. Turn text to speech. What I'm looking for here is I'm looking a more substantial offer, okay? And if I scroll down, I see a lot of these, really funny sounding offers that are not going to be really ideal for this traffic source. These offers that we see, these first 4 offers, they are, even the first 5 offers, they work really well in other traffic sources. But for this traffic source, I'm looking for a product that I understand I can describe to people. So here we have Scribble 2021, world's #1 ebook creator, up to 500 a customer. So right away, right, if you take a look at this offer, it makes sense. I understand what they're selling. I understand what they're all about. This is an offer I want to promote. And so this is an offer that we're going to take a look at. Now, before we're going to be promoting that offer, you want to take a look at that offer and you want to see if it's legit. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, and we're going to see that this is world's #1 ebook creator, up to 500. We're going to take a look at the website just to see if the website is presentable. It's legit. Remember, we're going to be spending money or time or both on this traffic. So we want to make sure that the offers are legit, right? So take a look at this one. We have, join 30,000 members using Scribble, limited time sale, 25% off, etc., right? They have some videos here. Scribble is the only ebook creator you'll ever need. So now I understand what this offer does, right? I understand this is a product where you can instantly create stunning ebooks, reports, and white papers in 3 simple steps. Very, very easy. So I want to promote this offer. Let's say I want to promote this offer. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the affiliate link. You're going to enter your ID, right? This is your ClickBank nickname, your username. And you're going to click this button and you're going to have your affiliate link. And then you can go out and you can promote this on this amazing traffic source. And what exactly is this traffic source? Well, this is the traffic source we're going to be promoting on. And this is called LinkedIn, right? This is a business network. They are people, it's a professional network. And it's kind of like Facebook for professionals, Facebook for business people, right? It works exactly like Facebook, except it's all about money, right? You're not gonna see, you might see some, cat videos and stuff like that, but it's mostly about money. It's mostly about making money. We have Microsoft here. We have some other ad here, right? And this is an example of an ad. We have more ads. We have more feeds, things that are happening, right? And so what we want to do is we want to go out and we want to create an ad on LinkedIn. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So the next thing you want to do is you want to Google LinkedIn ads, okay? And you're going to end up on this URL. This is linkedin.com campaign manager, new advertiser. We're going to create a brand new account. So this is my account name, ad account, United States dollars. And then you need associate LinkedIn page with your account. This is optional, so we're gonna skip that. We're gonna agree and create account. And now we're on this main account creation screen. And here we can create a campaign group, just like with Facebook ads, you have a campaign group, and there are various campaigns that fall into that group. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go next here, and we are gonna create a campaign, right? We want website visits here. And now it wants an audience, right? Here you're going to see your forecasted results. And we have United States, right? We do want United States. United States is the best. And now we set it to English. Audience has their profile language set to English. You can set it to another language, but the campaign is going to be English language only. And next thing we have, who is your target audience? Start building your audience by searching for attributes or professionals you want to reach. So there are 2 ways of doing it, right? You have your audiences and you have audience attributes, right? So audiences is when you already know who you want to target, meaning like you have maybe an email list, you already ran ads, you can do a lookalike, right? Retargeting, third party. We're not going to be doing audiences because if you are a first-time advertiser, right, you're going to be doing audience attributes. So we're going to go to audience attributes and you have company, demographics, education, job experience, interests, and traits. You can go to interests and traits and you can take a look at member groups, right? You can search member groups. So let's say we want affiliate marketing or something like this. And here you have affiliate marketing group. You have affiliate marketing. You have all of this. So we can advertise to these people this specific product, right? We can also type authors. Right, creating an ebook, authors and publishers associate, authors and book reviews, authors, readers. So it's very, very rich targeting. And you have professionals. That means they're willing to spend money. They're willing to actually buy the product. And so what we have is here, world's #1 ebook creator, right? And remember, guys, authors is the direct idea, right? But it doesn't need to be just authors. Anybody has a use for an ebook creator. It could be, professionals, right? You can just type professionals, professionals here, professionals here. Really, this is a type of offer that's going to be applicable to a wide range of audiences, right? So you do not need to think about just authors because it could be somebody like me. I'm not an author, but I might be interested in creating an ebook, right? I might be interested in selling an ebook. So the market that we're gonna be going for, and remember, guys, you gotta go become a little creative here. You gotta think creatively here. What I'm looking for in this market is entrepreneurs, right? So I'm gonna say entrepreneurs, okay, because then I can market it as an ebook creator where they can create an ebook and sell it on Amazon, right? As an income stream. This is just an idea. There's almost an unlimited number of ways, markets that you can market this to, different niches, to different groups. So if I type entrepreneurs, we have entrepreneurs on social media, startup, meet investors, entrepreneurs network. So if I select this, it tells me this is the audience size. It tells me, it breaks this down by function. It can break it down to seniority, right? Senior owner, CXO. This means like CIO, CEO. This is a chief officer, chief something officer. Director entry, and you can also break it down to years of experience, 12 plus years. And so you can choose another group, right? So entrepreneurs in Central Virginia, you can choose that, and you're going to have an audience size here. You can go up, right? Entrepreneurs Network, right? We have 37,000, right? Or you can go to interest in trades. You can cancel this out, and you can go to member trades. Right now you have trades. You're not searching for specific groups. You actually have trades, right? Frequent contributors, frequent travelers, and you can search it, right? So let's say I want entrepreneur member trades or business. I can do that. And so you have member traits. You can pick an area here. You can do member interests, general interest. Take a look at this one. And you can select an entire interest, right? Business and management. We can select that. And you have business, all of this. And this is a 94 million target audience size, which is too much. It's just too much. It's not going to work. You want to narrow it down. So we're going to go into product interest, and we're going to take a look. And we have productivity software. We have video conferencing. So many offers that you can promote here. Let's go back to member groups, and let's pick an entrepreneur group. You can do this for testing. There's Entrepreneur Magazine, 94 million. That's a little bit too much. How about Small Business Forum? And what do we have? 27,000. You can pick Entrepreneur Magazine, 70,000. You can maybe do around maybe 100,000. This could be a nice start. 97,000. So right now you have an audience of 97,000. These are entrepreneurs. They're interested in making money. And remember, guys, you can pick any niche here, any group. I'm just, showing you something for the purpose of this video. You can pick anything that you want. Next, we have the ad format. Right, you can pick an ad format. And so to run this campaign, you must have a company or showcase page associated with this account. So all you have to do is click this, create your page, and then you're going to have it. And then we have product placement. You have your daily budget. Let's say our daily budget is $20. You can do $20. You can run campaign continuously. You can set a start and end date. And then you have your bidding, right? We're just going to do automated just to keep things very, very easy. And so the next thing you want to do is you want to create your LinkedIn page. You're just going to go in here and you're going to pick, let's say you have a small business, and you're going to fill this out, and you're going to have a LinkedIn page. Once you're done, you're going to go back to this, you're going to associate it, and you're going to create the ad. The ad that I'm recommending is just to keep it simple. We're just going to run a single image ad. And that is all you have to do. You're going to save and exit. It's going to go into a review, and you can link directly to the campaign. From my experience and the experience of some of my friends, they're not too picky about affiliate marketing. It's not like Facebook or some of the other networks. LinkedIn understands that the audience is primarily made up of business-minded people or professionals. And so direct linking is absolutely fine. If you don't want to direct link in, and I highly recommend you to never direct link, it's just not the best strategy. Although with LinkedIn, it can fly. But going forward, what I highly recommend is you take a look at this diagram. You have your LinkedIn here. You have your traffic source, which is this traffic source, LinkedIn in this case. And you want to create some kind of a website, a landing page, something that creates a more credible appearance, something that what I call a buffer. And then you can also do email collection. You can also create an app. You can create, a little tool. You can do engagement. You can do surveys. Surveys work really, really well on LinkedIn because people love surveys. They want to know what other people are thinking, right? Everybody loves surveys. You can do surveys. You can do, things where you ask people something and then, they get a response. So there's lots of things that you can do. And what I'm talking about here, guys, is a way to link something that eventually links to the offer. So without, linking directly to the offer, you want to create something in the middle, and that's going to be the best approach to take. Of course, like I said before, LinkedIn is not too picky when it comes to affiliate marketing and direct linking and stuff like that. And so that is the way you do it. And the best part about it is that once you configure the ad, you'll be able to track the audience. So you'll be able to save that audience, and then you can create lookalike audiences. If that audience did well in your campaign, then you can find lookalike audience. You can also upload an email list if you're collecting email lists. This is a very, very powerful self-service advertising platform that you can promote all kinds of offers, not just ClickBank. And that is why I wanted to show you an offer that I feel is a very, very good fit for ClickBank, because not all offers on ClickBank are going to be a good fit for LinkedIn. All right, guys, so this is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. I really hope you've gotten value here. I know a lot of people were asking for a paid traffic method. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this method. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, or let me know if you want to see a very innovative free traffic method this time, or let me know if you want to see more paid traffic methods instead. If you want to see free traffic methods, just leave a comment with free. If you want to see more paid traffic methods, just leave a comment with paid. Or if you're not sure, just say I don't know. And that way I will have a better idea what kind of methods you guys want to see. Just let me know, and I will be more in tune with what you guys want. All right, so thank you again for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about it. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more videos about CPA and affiliate marketing. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.